from Create with Scrimping Mommy. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new, please do hit that subscribe button. There's an awful lot of content on here for you to follow, lots of ideas and inspiration. So if you're a long-standing member, subscriber, thank you for coming back. As you will know, I've been making journals for my journaling joy, which is the joy stands for Journal Our Year. And these paper collections are made for my Ko-fi subscribers. They pay £3 a month and they get one of these collections along with other things. And every month I show them how to create a complete journal with a different cover, etc. blah blah. So far we've done the December daily, which is here. Oops. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. And then we did the Winter Wonderland, which was a hybrid folio design. And then this month's is the Asian Splendor, and I showed everybody how to make this fantastic journal with the removal journal block. And I absolutely love creating and sharing these, and I just thought, what can we do with our leftovers? I'm very mindful. I'm quite a tidy crafter. Not you know, what's the word, not obsessed, but I'm quite tidy because otherwise I get in a mess and I can't focus. So I thought, what can we do with the leftovers? Because inevitably when you create a project you're going to have scraps and leftovers. Okay, so I came up with the idea and I shared a tutorial on it, and my Ko-fi subscribers got the cutting guide for this mini folio. Okay, so if you go back through my videos, you'll see videos about it. So it's just a mini folio. We've got a pocket with card there. We've got a little pocket with some cards there. We've got some photo opportunities there, waterfall there, and a pocket card there. And it's just something quick and easy to make using leftovers, okay? And then I thought, why not make one every single month to go with every single collection? And then I thought, if we make one every month, we'll have 12. So that's one for every month of the year that you can document. You can put your photos in. These are, you know, you can journal and put your photos in. And then I thought, let's make a beautiful box. So far I have made 3 of the folios. So I've done one using my leftovers from December daily, one from the leftovers using the Winter Wonderland, and then obviously one with this month's. So it's a simple idea because just that one design you can make 12 times. Okay, once you've made one, you can make the rest practically with your eyes shut. Okay, and then you're going to have a 12-month collection, beautiful 12-month collection. And I just thought, how cool would it be to put in a storage box? So let me show you. I had to move my camera up a bit because it's quite a large box. Okay, it's made from chipboard, so it is sturdy. It is going to hold 12 of these very, very nicely, plus the photos that you put in. It's not going to warp. It's stunning. So I've decorated mine with the Asian Splendor, Asian Beauty, what have I called it? Asian Splendor collection, and just decorated it very simple with a metal piece here, which I've just made out of bits in my collection, and it is magnetised. Okay, I do also have these feet, which I'm going to put on, and if you just look how beautiful it's going to look with the feet on. Okay, you could go and decorate it further, but I just thought, you know, when it's going on a shelf and things, I'm quite practical and I don't want things to get beat up. So then what we do is, if we open this beautiful box, it's all lined, and we can put our collections in. So I've done 3 so far. So next month I'll do the next one, etc, etc. And at the end of 12 months, along with having 12 different journals, I'm going to have 12 folios. So it just makes your money go, the subscribers' money go that little bit further. So I do have a full tutorial on this, okay? And I am going to put the cutting guide for the box and for the folio design, okay? I am going to, so you only need the one folio and you just replicate it. I'm going to put it for sale on my Ko-fi shop so you can purchase the cutting guide. Ko-fi subscribers, as always, will get the cutting guides free. Okay, so they've already had this and they're going to get the box. I do have a fantastic tutorial. It will be a long one because it's made in real time with as little editing as possible so that you can see exactly how I've made it, because we've made it with chipboard and I have wrapped it with fabric tape. Now it's a large box, so it has to be made in pieces. So it's a step-by-step tutorial to go along with the cutting guide to make your crafty life easier. I've done all the hard work for you. It fits the folios in perfectly, okay, nice and snug, not too tight. There's a tiny little bit of wiggle room, and there is room for 12. And I've made sure that we've got enough room so that if these expand a little bit with the photos, there's plenty of room, and it's all beautifully lined. It's absolutely stunning. So if you're interested in joining in with this online class, you can follow the link below and purchase that cutting guide. I hope you'll join us and have some fun. Obviously, if you don't want to make the purchase, you could also just follow along, try and get some inspiration, see how it's been done. Absolutely fine. You don't have to use my collections. You can use anything, or you can come along to the Ko-fi subscribers club and get all of these fantastic projects every single month. So I hope you'll join me in the tutorial. The tutorial will be up tomorrow. The cutting guide is available now. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.